Guys, this is a fire alarm. You don't mess with this. This is meant to save your life. So you don't play around with this. This is very serious stuff. Whenever you hear this thing go, eh, 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 you have to leave the building immediately because that is alerting you that there is a fire emergency. So this is not a toy to play with. What if you pulled this for fun? Ha 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 ha. I am going to pull the fire alarm for fun. Shh. This was fun. You are in big trouble now, and you put other people's lives in danger. So I'm serious about this. And you are arrested. Do not tamper with this thing. Bye.